SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outlined in a kind of significant manner. SLP faces obstruction at $0.003 in a really significant manner. Smooth love mixture generally is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the truly bears in a real sense has been laid out at $0.003. 28 September 2023. In this article we will, all things considered, walk you through extremely smooth love elixir cost examination for NI, or for certainly win week from NI, and most certainly attempt to answer this habitually, all things considered. Clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially momentary cost expectation for by and large smooth love elixir, sort of is SLP a genuinely wise venture, or so they really thought. Smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized investigation, explicitly let us discuss the ongoing economic situations, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $26,382,683,370 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, showing how yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the SLP specialized examination. Truly let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations, which for the most part is very critical. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87% in a kind of significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, which especially shows that market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,057,668,317,807, which sort of is genuinely critical. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere near 0.72, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents in an especially significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions most certainly show that the market basically is going in a by and large descending bearing for present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of now, a truly broad, especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows what in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%. Smooth love mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every way that really matters are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path incredibly. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more especially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants generally become move truly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher in an unobtrusive way. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of kind of smooth love mixture, SLP, really smooth love elixir execution. The day-to-day diagram of kind of smooth love elixir by and large shows that the SLP cost explicitly has a really descending development with a 1.18% diminishing in sort of beyond 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. Value worth of the genuinely smooth love mixture, SLP, coin for the most part is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, genuinely further appearance how SLP by and large faces opposition at $0.003 in a really significant manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, which truly is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 28 September 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, showing how similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors certainly become move truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the truly smooth love mixture. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time span, which essentially shows that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,057,668,317,807, or so they especially thought. The especially relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 34, showing how support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers generally become certainly more genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line essentially is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid in a sort of enormous manner. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram. Showing how certainly Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 28 September 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period, especially made sense of beneath, showing how similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become moves certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they most certainly thought. While SLP's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, truly signal in a real sense, is certainly conceivable at this reach in an exceptionally significant manner. As per the traditional turn, the vital quick opposition for SLP may for the most part be really found at $0.003, sort of followed by $0.004. Exhibiting how especially Smooth Love Mixture backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an essentially huge way. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels basically were situated at $0.003 and afterwards $0.003,